Doug here from Dhamma Delaware. Today is December 3rd, and I guess this is about the 9th week of our project. Didn't provide a video update last week because there wasn't any work that got done, but there's been a lot of people here this week doing work, so it's a good time to show you what's going on. Outside here, we've gotten most of the windows done on this side of the building, and we should be able to finish that up by the middle of next week from what I understand. Inside, we've got most of the electrical work done and everything that's framed out. The plumbers have been here drilling holes in all the concrete to be able to put pipes for the showers and the toilets in. This is a process of drilling holes like this through the concrete. There you go. That's a hole for the toilet, and over here there's a hole for the shower. These are like 5-inch wide concrete holes. Got a big drilling apparatus to do this. Let me take you down to the end of the building where the masons are here and they're finally working on the foundations for the additions. They're about 2/3 of the way done on this one now, and we should get that finished up this week, and perhaps next week we'll get the next one done. But the big news is we moved over to framing the cells, and we got two of them framed out, and then we found a big problem in this part of the building. Let me show you. So over here, this part of the building sits on a crawl space, and all the beams that are holding this floor up are wooden beams, as opposed to the other section of the building, which has concrete beams. And as they were doing some work in here, they found the floor was pretty soft. And when they looked a little closer, every one of these beams is rotten from the bottom out. And if you look at these beams, you can see the black on the bottom of these beams. And if you take a hammer to that, it'll go practically right through it. So in order to make this part of the building habitable, and so it'll last in the future, we just started a project today to replace all of these beams and the floor that it sits on. So we've got some beams that are coming and will be here later this afternoon. And you can see they've gotten the floor off of about 1/3 of this room so far. So over here, that's where the cells were that they made, but they've had to take them back down and get ready to do this floor job. So that's where we are. A little bit of a setback with this work here, but it's important that we do this so that this structure will last for as long as we intend it to. So that's the update from Dhamma Delaware. Come on back and see us next week and see how we made out with all of this reconstruction. Take care.